Citizens report a 503 in Paleto Bay.
Dispatch, we got eyes on the perp.
Attention all units, backup needed in Paleto Forest.
Dispatch, we got eyes, we're in pursuit. Dispatch, we just chased this clown off the freeway.
Backup required in the Chilean Mountain State Wilderness. Units respond code 3.
Suspect has crashed their vehicle.
Suspects are now on the freeway.
Dispatch, we got eyes on the perp.
Hold the vehicle. LSPD, there's nowhere to go. Stop the vehicle. You are breaking the law. Stop. Stop. Police.
Victor 13, currently heading to the location.
Attention all units, officer requesting backup near North Chumash. Respond code 3.
Roger, we're heading over now. We need backup, quick! Dispatch, suspect located, moving to engage.